is the Modeling Addition with Integers lesson. Today, you will know that opposites are the same distance on the other side of the number line from 0. So the opposite of positive 9 is negative 9. Whenever you have the integer counting chips, the yellow side represents positives and the red side represents negatives. Okay? Whenever you have one red and one yellow, they cancel each other out to make a 0 pair. It's like you owe your mom $1, but then you pay her $1, so you don't owe her anything. Remember, one yellow cancels out one red, and one red cancels out one yellow. Okay? So we're going to model the next few questions with the integer chips and find the answers. So we have 5 plus 7. If we want our integer chips, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Since we don't have any reds, nothing will cancel out, and we have no 0 pairs. So our answer for this, 5 plus 7, would be 12, because you would just add together all of the yellows. Okay? Now this one is -4 plus -3, so we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4 negative chips. Notice they are on the red side, and 1, 2, 3 negatives here. We don't have any yellows to make any 0 pairs, so we would just add these together because they are the same, which is 7, but they're all negative, so it is going to be -7. Next one. We have -2 plus 1, so we're going to have 2 negative chips, 1, 2, and 1 positive chip. Okay, remember, one yellow cancels out one red. So this yellow cancels out this red. And what are we left with? We're left with one red. And we know that red are negative, so our answer for this one is -1. -2 plus 1 equals -1. 2 plus -7, you'll have 2 yellow chips and 7 red chips. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 2 yellows will cancel out 2 reds. 1, 2. And you do want to show that these are canceling out. Okay, so we have 2 0 pairs. Then you count whatever is left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red chips left. So we have -5 is our answer. Okay, our next problem is -6 plus -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we have any 0 pairs here? No, because there are no yellows. So we're just going to add these all together because they are the same and count them all, and our answer will be -10. -6 plus -4 is -10. Now 9 plus -5. This is a positive 9, so we're going to have 9 yellows. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5 negatives. 5 reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, yellows cancel out reds and reds cancel out yellows. So one yellow cancels out one red. One yellow cancels out one red. One yellow cancels out one red. One yellow, one red. One yellow, one red. So there are 5 0 pairs there. And what's left? There are 4 positive integers left, integer chips. So our answer is +4 for this answer. Okay. Now let's jump to number lines. For number lines, whenever you move to the right of the number line, you are going to be getting bigger or positive. When you're moving to the left, you'll be getting smaller or negative, okay? So whenever you are looking at the number lines, you are always going to start at 0, okay? And whichever way the first arrow goes tells you what type of number the first number is. Since this arrow is moving to the left, we know that it is a negative number. Then you're going to count the jumps to the end of the arrow. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps to the left, so that is negative 6. That's going to be the first number in the equation. We are working with addition, so it's always going to be addition with the number lines. Then, to get the second number, you're going to start at the end of the first arrow and then jump until you get to the end of the second arrow. So this is going to the right, so that is a positive number, and it jumped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 spots. So it's negative 6 plus 14. Wherever the jumps stop or wherever the second arrow ends will be the final answer, which is positive 8. So the equation for this number line is negative 6 plus 14 equals positive 8. Let's try another one. Remember, we start at 0, and the first arrow moves to the right first. So we know that that is going to be positive. Let's count the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have positive 9. Plus, at the end of the first arrow, it's going to the left, so we know that that's a negative. And it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is where the second arrow ends. So it's minus 8 or negative 8. It stops at 1, so that is your final answer. Okay? Try this next one on your own. Pause the video and then check it. Okay? So remember, we start at 0. It went to the left, so that's negative. It went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's negative 5. And then it went 5 more to the left, so it's negative 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 5 plus negative 5 equals negative 10. You can go back and watch any part of the video that you need more understanding and then start on your homework.